traditional Russian folk medicine.
Granny, what should I do? I had a sore throat.
Let's make a mixture for your sore throat. Don't worry. Take some milk and some honey. Boil a cup of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix all well. Drink the mixture while it is warm. Is it better?
Yes, much better.
What would you do if you had a headache? Slice a potato and place the slices around your head. Tie a scarf or a bandage around your head to hold the slices in place. Or try rubbing your temples with some grated lemon peel. Or if you think your headache is from thinking too hard, eat some herring. Or boil some milk. Beat an egg and pour it over the milk. Stir it quickly and then drink it. You must repeat this for several days. What would you do if you had a toothache? Chop an onion into very small pieces. Wrap the onion in a gauze bandage and place it inside your ear on the opposite side of your head where the toothache is. Or place a slice of fresh beet on the tooth that bothers you. Or chop a turnip into small pieces. Pour 1 cup of boiling water over the turnip and boil for 15 minutes. Drink the mixture before bed. What would you do if you had a sore throat? Mix chopped onion, apples and some honey. Eat 2 teaspoons of the mixture 3 times per day. Or boil a cup of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix well. Drink the mixture while it is warm. Or rinse your mouth and throat with a mixture of beet juice and vinegar. Do this 5-6 times per day. Or chop 100 grams of garlic. Boil 1/4 cup of water. Add the garlic to the water after the water has cooled a bit. Cover the mixture and let it sit for 5-6 hours. Remove the garlic. Gargle with the liquid. Remember, always consult a doctor before trying any home remedies.